Take out the machine and its accessories. Remove the rubber caps at the connection of the cooling applicator and the water outlet. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. When the black rubber cell at the connection is damaged, replace it with the spare one. To fit the holder to the machine, fix the 2 long supports on the machine first. And then fix one of the acrylic holder under the screw thread at the top of the long supports. Fix the short supports on the top of the long supports. Remove the caps of the short supports. Fix other acrylic holder under the screw thread at the top of the short supports, and finally screw tight the caps. To connect the cooling applicator to the machine, press and hold the fastener and insert the connector by aligning it with the small holes at the connection until it clicks into place. Connect the rest cooling applicators to the machine in the same way. Put all the applicators into corresponding positions of holders. There are 3 holes at the back of the machine, which are water inlet, overflow hole, and water outlet respectively. Please pour pure water or distilled water in before starting the machine. Connect the hose of the funnel to the water inlet until it's fixed by the fastener. Put water into the machine through the funnel. When there's water coming out from the overflow hole, water inside the machine is enough. Disconnect the funnel from the machine by pressing and holding the fastener while pulling out the hose. Connect the power cord to the machine. Press the power button at the front of the machine. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 59 minutes. 10 to 30 minutes is recommended. 5 to 10 minutes on the same area for first-time users at the beginning of the treatment is recommended. When they adapt, increase time to 20 to 30 minutes. Temperature range is -10 to 15 degrees Celsius. -5 to 5 degrees Celsius is recommended. 5 degrees Celsius is recommended at the beginning of the treatment. When they adapt, lower temperature gradually. One cooling applicator can be used alone, and all of them can be also used at the same time. To prevent the skin damages, make sure dedicated frostbite-proof tissue is applied to the target area before treatment. Wrap the strap around the target area moderately tight to prevent discomfort. Fix the cooling applicator to the target area. The number of needed applicators depends on the size of the target area. Press the general start and stop button at the lower part of the control panel, and then press corresponding start button of the applicator you are using. press general start and stop button, turn off the machine. The way to empty water out of the machine. When you want to get water out of the machine, connect the hose of the funnel to the water outlet, and then make sure it's fixed by the fastener. Let the hose hang down, and water will automatically run out. When water is emptied, press and hold the fastener at the water outlet and pull out the hose. Please note, you need to empty the water out of the machine if you keep it idle for a long period of time. Pour water in when you use it. When it has been 2 months since you use it and there's still water in the machine, you need to empty the remaining water and pour unused water in. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the cooling applicators for the next time use.